Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Miriam. I hope you guys are all staying well and safe in your homes during this time. I'm back with another video and I'm making a wall succulent plant. Starting off with my leftover popsicle sticks that I had from a previous project. So I'm starting the project off by just placing the sticks where I want them to be to form the shape of what is going to be holding the plants up on the wall. So the only thing that I used to glue all the sticks together was my hot glue gun. You can use wood glue or the E6000 glue if you prefer, but for fast dry and fast results, I do always use my hot glue gun. So you're going to repeat this step about 9 more times by gluing the other popsicle sticks directly on top of the others, and it'll look something like this when you're done. You can make it as thick as you want or as thin as you want, depending on exactly what you want to do with it in the end. So this is what it's looking like when I'm done. I then spray painted everything silver to match the decor of the room where this plant is going to be placed. So while that is drying, I moved on to the flower foam. So I placed hot glue all over the flower foam and I attached the moss to cover it up. Make sure that you put enough on it so that the green part of the flower foam is not showing through at the end. Also, when you glue the moss onto the flower foam, make sure that you leave the part that you're attaching directly to the plant holder free of moss, because it'll be hard for it to attach or hold onto the plant holder with the moss on it. So I made sure to leave one section free of moss, just the flower foam, so that I will be able to use that part to glue directly onto the plant holder. The spray paint is dry. I'm now going to attach my plant onto my plant holder. I initially only used the hot glue. I glued the bottom of the flower foam to the holder, but then I noticed that it didn't stay as firm as I wanted it to, so I went ahead and I used E6000 with my hot glue, and it happened to hold perfectly. So if your hot glue gun doesn't work initially, don't get discouraged. You might just have to go with a stronger glue, or just mix it with your E6000 and your hot glue gun and it'll hold firmly. So I then added my succulent plants onto the flower foam. I literally just poked them right into the flower foam and it stayed sturdy. I used 3 in total for this entire project. And you might have to move the plant around a couple of times just to get it to be in your desired position. This is how my project turned out. I did use push pins to hold it. As you guys know, I don't like to put holes in the walls for picture frame holders if I don't have to, but the 2 push pins have been working perfectly for me in every project. So just have the 2 in there and it's holding up the plant. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Bye for now and be safe.